Gradebook is the main feature that consolidates all scores from various evaluation components, such as class activities, quizzes, assignments, projects, and exams, and calculates the final grade based on each component's weight, offering a more integrated, efficient, and transparent grading experience. To access the Gradebook feature, you can go through either the Courses menu or the Scoring menu. Choose the Courses menu, select your course, then click Scoring, and select Gradebook. Or simply go to the Scoring menu, select the course, and click on Gradebook. You will be able to view all student grades in your class in one integrated display. Grades are shown per activity, and the Gradebook also displays the weight of each evaluation component. Here are several things you can do with Gradebook. Scoring the assessment and editing the scores if needed. Approve each assessment activity. Download a complete score recap. Request score change after the approval. Review and respond to student score appeals. With Gradebook, you can manage and monitor the entire scoring process, ensuring that every activity is properly recorded and minimizing scoring recap errors. All of this is seamlessly integrated within the Binusmaya.